Hi, this is a quick review of the Hoover vacuum. As you can see, it comes in two parts. One is the main unit, it's got a battery, it's got a handle, and it's got a long stick, followed by this cleaner. It's even got a brush at the bottom of it. And so operation is pretty easy. You just have to press this button, and it's going to work. And so here's the thing. So if you don't want to keep it pressed all the time, there's a lever here which you push it on. It will always be switched on. And what are the good parts of it? So now one is if you want to turn off the brush, there's a button here. If you press this one, the brush is going to be turned off. And so overall, and it comes with a couple of other attachments for cleaning the car, the sofa and other stuff like that. But overall, I've been mostly using it in the house for quick spills. And as you can see from here, it's collected quite a bit of stuff, and some of these are pretty large particles, actually, paper pieces, and in fact, lots of stuff. Actually, I don't have any pets. I cannot tell you whether if it can suck pet hair, but I'm sure it can. Looking at the kind of debris inside this, overall, it's pretty powerful. The batteries are very long lasting, and quite honestly, it's quite powerful as well, right? Thank you. Hi, this is a quick review of the Hoover vacuum. As you can see, it comes in two parts. One is the main unit, it's got a battery,